Julia. This is Perfectly Serious Productions. I'm Katie.
I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Julia.
And it's time to get serious.
Whoa. Whoa.
We're missing a screw. Today we're assembling a piece of Ikea furniture, but we're not using the directions. This is what it's supposed to look like. We got sort of like a shelf thing with wheels on it. Let's get started.
We don't need that anymore. No instructions. So these are the parts. We got 3 of these things.
We got 2 sides. This is actually a lot more pieces or a lot less pieces, that IKEA usually gives me.
This is the only time IKEA actually made it simple for us, and we wanted to be complicated.
It might still be complicated knowing us. I don't know what this is for.
I think I know what this is for.
On the top.
On the top?
Oh.
Allen wrench.
Allen?
Did some guy named Allen make it?
No, some guy named Wrench did.
Oh, I got the first piece done.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't think that should be first.
Why?
Because that's the top.
Let's sew.
And no, Caitlin, because there's like no hole in there. You have to, it should be this way.
Oh.
Well, I guess
got the tray.
We're putting the top thing on first for some reason. Because always start at the top and work your way down.
Yeah, sure.
That's our motto.
We have mottos.
This is not going straight.
I can do it.
Let me try. It's not going straight.
Let me try. Because it's not straight, that's why.
This is a tray.
Why is this not going straight?
Told you.
Really? Is that what that is?
This is the tray.
I think that it goes this way.
No, it goes this way. So you can hold your things in it.
I think
This doesn't look nice. Like, you don't want to see, like, the seams.
What if I want to see the seams?
That small screw gave me trouble.
Is it
It
bent?
screwed us over.
It's screwed up.
Whoa! I got it!
Now I'm from this side. Let me do it.
Oh.
Yeah, someone else needs to turn now.
No!
I'm gonna hold this one.
It needs to be a little bit higher.
Oh!
This is.
This is very dangerous.
That work?
Can you guys like warn us before you do stuff like that? Our hands do not want to be smashed.
I saw where your hand was, Katie. I have really good hand-eye.
What if I moved it?
No, you wouldn't have. I know what you're gonna do before you do it.
It's still bent.
Ugh. How many women did you screw in a screw?
3. 1, 2.
Oh, 3! You should do it the other way.
No, that's the way you're supposed to go.
No, I mean like hold this thing this way.
Let Katie have it.
Hey, stop trying to control everything, okay?
Whoa, I think someone has control issues over there. They're trying to control my controlling. That's pretty controlling.
This is a stressful situation.
I just want to be a tray.
How is it that we're doing this?
I think we need
here.
What?
The holes are.
Oh, Caitlin, use your face.
Use your face.
Oh, Caitlin, let's get the thing in there first.
I'm just seeing where it goes.
Something like that. Where's the other one?
I did it.
Perfect. I'll do this
How do you know
side.
it's done?
I told you once you drop the Allen wrench, it's finished.
We don't even need the directions. We are 3 smart women.
You make it sound so surprising. We're
Women can
smart.
build things too, okay?
Women can be smart. We're not just pretty faces.
Should have been Belinda, the builder. Screw Bob.
Yeah, Belinda.
I can't, there's nothing more for me to do.
You can look at the screws. You can line this one up.
I could. Does it go this way? No, I learned from Caitlin.
Wow, you learned from Caitlin? That's really rare.
Whoa, whoa,
We don't need that part of it. Oh, this is taking too long.
It's just not really that exciting. It's only one person can be working on it at a time.
I'm working.
She can do this.
Oh, thank you. I really need that background music.
Whoa! Found out if you move your face while you're saying something, it changes the pitch of it. Oh! Flip it over!
I think we pretty much figured this out.
Woo! Spin the wheel! Spin the wheel! Big money, no whammies, no whammies.
We're missing a screw.
Oh, I found it! I found
We're
the missing
saved.
screw!
Well, I guess we solved that problem pretty quickly.
There's still a few screws loose.
Woo! Sometimes when you do it too wrong,
I'm laughing at my pain. Every time I'm about to make a big decision, I think, what would Caitlin do?
and I do the opposite.
That's what I was gonna say.
Oh.
Wow, way to ruin her thunder.
You make it a little more difficult.
We have to somehow make this difficult because this is just too easy.
We should have done this blindfolded.
That would have been a challenge.
That would have made more sense.
That,
Should we
yeah.
take it apart and do it elsewhere?
Nope. I just finished. Woo! Wow, look at it. Look at it. Trollololly.
You have to always
Trollolololollyland.
Trollololly.
Thank you for watching, guys. Let's assemble an IKEA piece of furniture without the directions.
It was great fun. I want to do it again.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more.
Yeah, maybe next time we'll try something a little more difficult.
No, we won't.
We'll do it blindfolded next time if you guys get this video to 20 likes.
Get it. Get it now. Like it now.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for getting serious with us. Woo! Like the Brady Bunch.
The Brady Bunch.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
people.
The Brady Bunch.
And that's how they became the Brady